Hello, I'm Joanne Kroll, and I am sharing my Sensibly Organized membership, a back-end walkthrough for you because a lot of people have been asking me questions. Please excuse my sunburn look. It's for some reason the logs make me very red, which is really interesting, but I wanted to record this really quick overview. So when you join Sensibly Organized, whether you join self-study or group access or VIP, you're all going to get access to this resource hub. And this is where the hub of the membership lies in the success path. So you know the path that you need to take to get organized, all of the steps. You can see this on the left here, where you can ask questions through this portal here. Your work at your own pace programs, one for home, one for paper digital, one for photos, and then creating your action plan. This is about finding all the projects that you want to do, prioritizing them, and then creating action plans for them. And then down is the all the questions that have been answered, a lot of resources. Some of them are PDFs, some of them are videos, some of them are checklists, some of them are articles. There's all different ways that I answer questions. So this grows as you ask questions. Questions. You can submit them 3 ways. You can send me a video and a photo with a question if you have that. If you don't, you can type in something down here in the comment. If you don't want anyone to see it, you can send me an email. 3 ways, really simple. 2 things to know. There is absolutely no judgment and everything is kept confidential. So important for me to stress that. This membership is not made for you to come in and stay forever. I'm not about client retention. My goal is to teach you, get you to the point where you're ready to be organized, or you are organized and you're already maintaining wherever you are on that stage. That's where I want you to get to. I want whatever goal you have, and then for you to leave. So it's set up for every budget and every need, whether it's time budget, money budget, or speed that you need. So if you're somebody who likes to work on their own, self-study is great for you. You can ask your questions in here, and I believe I'm going to be adding a community feature for that specific level, so that you'll have a community as well. The group access is for people who want to move through a little bit faster. When you have me live coaching you, you will get things done faster. When you have me there for sessions, you will have the accountability. It's like setting up an appointment, and you will definitely go through faster. I mean, people go through self-study fast too, but if you're somebody who needs that accountability and support, group access is a great, affordable option. If you want to move through the fastest you possibly can, and you want to get really detailed support with organizing systems and setting up, whether it's for your home, your business, your life, whatever, then the VIP may be a good option for you. Now, you can't really compare the costs because somebody could be in the self-study for 2 years. I wouldn't expect that, but you could be in the self-study for 2 years and end up spending almost as much as you would for private. So it's really all about thinking about what your budget is, what your time is. Most people do go with the group access, and I'm going to quickly show you that community. This is the community. Looks a little funky right now because, it still has Kajabi coloring. It's still in beta, but it's really cool because it functions really well and it's really simplistic. So over on the left, we have, and you'll see, I have a little thing set up for self-study members. So I think that's coming. I'm waiting for this to be out of beta before I release that. But we have little sections here. They're called circles. So the welcome looks like a Facebook feed. You create your post, you can add a photo, a video, whatever you want. I'm going to add more kind of chats, forum type sections for different types of categories. But right now it's just very simplistic because, again, this is in beta. The co-organizing sessions, I just have a chat for that so I can quickly talk with people about that. Whether, is anybody showing up today? Because if you're not, then we're going to do it the next day or whatever. General chat, same, it's set up like a chat. But that isn't the most important thing. I used to run my co-organizing sessions in Zoom, and now I get to run them right here in my site, which is awesome. I'm going to quickly just go in here and show you. I'm not going to notify my members that I'm live. I'm not going to use my phone, and I'm not going to record. So it looks like Zoom, right? So it's double. So this is the big one here is in Kajabi. And then up in the corner, I'm here on Zoom. And so when I run these live sessions, you would come in as well, and it would be like just being in Zoom, but you don't have to have the Zoom app. You could do this all through a browser, which is awesome. These sessions, I'm going to leave the live room because it's a little weird. These sessions are very flexible. They're more of an open house. Some people come at the beginning and stay to the end. Some people can't make it right away. They come in midway through, they work for an hour, and then they leave. Some people don't, can't make a certain day. My goal is to always have enough meetings through the week that you can at least make at least one a week. So we work through that. And there's always the standing one on Thursdays because a lot of people can make this one, but I will do other ones. I've been known to do them on the weekends, and I've been known to do them in the evenings for people. Whenever you have the time to organize, I want to make sure that there's something for everybody in there. And you show up, you work on whatever you want to work on. You don't have to be working on, we don't all have to be working on the same type of project. You're working on what you want to work on. You either come in and get to work right away, and then if you have questions, great. If not, you're just there for the accountability. That's fine. Or sometimes people show up and they don't know what they want to work on. They don't know where to start. And so I can help them. I can help you decide where you want to start. And then you get to work. And then again, questions to the thing. So there's coaching in there. There's strategy in there. There's accountability, and then community as well, because we're in there together. So that's just a quick overview. And I'm going to stop sharing really quick. So I would love to see you in this membership. December 30th at midnight, whatever midnight time is for you. Because for me, I'm on Eastern, but if you're Pacific, you can go to midnight as well. The prices are going to go up again. I've been gradually increasing the prices over the year as I've, kind of refining the system. So that said, self-study will still be at $40. At the end of the year. So that will still be at $40. I will be raising that when I add a community piece. The group access is currently at $120. On the 31st, it will be $150 per month. And then the VIP is only $1,000 a month. And then we'll be increasing only to $1,200 a month. And I will actually be adding 2 calls to that if you look at the pricing structure. So the important thing for you to know, when you join, that's your rate forever. And again, forever, it shouldn't be forever. It should only be for as long as you need to be there. You can self-cancel at any time. And there is a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if you join and after 2 weeks, you're like, this is not for me, you get your 100% money back. If you're 3 weeks in and you're like, it's not for me, you can cancel and you'll at least get that month. You will get something out of it because you get access to all of my programs in there for the rest of the time that you're a member. And so when you cancel, if you paid for a month and you go past the trial period, then you will have it for the rest of the month, and then you will not renew. And I think I said this, but you can do it yourself. You don't even have to email me. So not the refund, but the self-cancel you can. So I hope this cleared up a little bit, but again, ask me any questions and I'll put the link wherever I'm sharing this. I'll put the link so you can check out more information on the membership. And I hope you've joined me. Have a great day.